Welcome to Destination Perfect. Today we're exploring Foshan, a city where ancient history meets vibrant modern life. We'll visit fairy tale temples, stunning gardens, and maybe even learn a kung fu move. Get ready for 16 must-see spots that capture the heart of this amazing city. Grab a snack and let's dive into the wonders of Foshan together. Our journey begins at the Ancestral Temple, the spiritual heart of Foshan. This isn't just a historic site. It's alive with tradition, from incense-filled halls to intricate rooftop dragons. Dedicated to the northern god, Baidi, the temple radiates artistry and reverence. Marvel at ceramic figurines and iron castings, testaments to Foshan's craftsmanship. Don't miss the Ip Man and Wong Fei Hung museums, kung fu legends whose legacy lives here. Lion dance performances electrify the air, blending spiritual roots with martial arts. What a way to start our adventure! Welcome to Lingnan Tiandi, where tradition meets trend. Wander stone-paved alleys lined with historic homes, hip cafes and boutiques. By day, sunlight on old brickwork. By night, lanterns glow and music drifts through the air. Savor classic dim sum or creative fusion? Every bite is a discovery. Don't miss the dessert soups, unexpected and delicious. Lingnan Tiandi, where Foshan's past and future meet. Ready to get creative? Welcome to the Nanfeng Ancient Kiln, where pottery has been fired for over 500 years. This is a living kiln, still blazing and shaping clay today. Try the potter's wheel yourself, or watch masters turn clay into art. Explore sculptures and galleries, from rustic teacups to ornate statues. Here, tradition and creativity are molded together. Connect with Foshan's artistic roots. Escape to Xiqiao Mountain, a national park and spiritual sanctuary. Hike lush forests, past waterfalls and caves, and discover hidden temples and serene lakes. The highlight, one of the world's tallest bronze guanyin statues, radiating peace from the peak. Climb the stairs for breathtaking views and a humbling experience. Slow down, breathe deeply, and reconnect with nature. It's nature's therapy, right in Foshan. The peace here is unforgettable, truly awe-inspiring. Step into Foshan Lingnan world, where history is immersive and interactive. Restored ancestral halls, temples, and homes create a living museum of Lingnan culture. Experience martial arts halls, Cantonese opera, and vibrant street performances. Craftsmen, calligraphers, and folk musicians bring tradition to life around every corner. It's not just about seeing history, it's about living it. Lingnan World makes the past feel fresh, fun, and unforgettable. This is how you celebrate culture. Right beside the Ancestral Temple, Zumiao Commercial Street pulses with modern energy. Pedestrian only and packed with shops, neon lights, and music, it's a feast for the senses. Browse everything from trendy gadgets to traditional crafts, all in one lively stretch. But the real star? The street food. Blind man's cakes, double-skin milk pudding, and endless local snacks. Wander, taste, and soak up the city's buzz. This is Foshan's heartbeat, vibrant, delicious, and full of life. Come hungry, you'll leave happy. Find tranquility at Liang's garden, a Qing dynasty gem designed for scholars and artists. Winding paths, moon gates, and koi-filled ponds create a world where architecture and nature blend seamlessly. Every window frames a living painting. Every courtyard invites quiet reflection. It's a masterclass in garden design, peaceful, harmonious, and intimate. Discover hidden pavilions and stone bridges as you wander. Liang's garden is a serene escape in the city. A true hidden treasure. Shunde Qinghui Garden, an epic of classical Chinese landscaping. Ming and Qing architecture, sparkling waters, and lush greenery form a labyrinth of beauty. Cross zigzag bridges, explore ornate halls, and marvel at changing vistas. Water is the soul here, reflecting pavilions and exotic plants. Every turn reveals a new scene to admire, a paradise for garden lovers and photographers. Don't miss this masterpiece of harmony and artistry. Now, a pilgrimage for martial arts fans, the Bruce Lee ancestral home in Shunde. This humble Lingnan house connects the global icon to his Foshan roots. Inside, photos and memorabilia tell the story of Bruce Lee's journey from local boy to legend. The nearby exhibition hall and bronze statue celebrate his legacy and Foshan's martial arts heritage. Standing here, you feel the power of humble beginnings. Greatness can come from anywhere. Be water, my friend. Shunfengshan Park is Foshan's green heart, sprawling, scenic, and full of life. Enter through one of Asia's largest stone archways, carved with mythical creatures. Joggers, families, and Tai Chi practitioners fill the park, set around mountains and a picturesque lake. Rent a boat, explore hidden temples, or relax in landscaped gardens. The park blends natural beauty with grand design. It's a beloved gathering place for locals. Shunfengshan is where Foshan comes to breathe, a happy, vibrant escape. Discover Foshan's creative pulse at the Creative Industry Park, built from repurposed factories. Art galleries, design studios, and quirky cafes fill these industrial spaces, now buzzing with youthful energy. Street art and murals turn every wall into a canvas. By day, it's a hub for artists and innovators. By night, it transforms into a lively nightlife spot. This is urban renewal at its best, honoring the past, inspiring the future. Foshan is always reinventing itself. The vibe here is electric. In the city's heart, Renshou Temple offers a peaceful retreat. Founded in the Song dynasty, it blends Chinese and Southeast Asian Buddhist styles. Locals come to pray, light incense, and find quiet moments of devotion. The modern Ruyi Pagoda stands tall, a beacon of faith above the temple grounds. Renshou Temple is a living place of worship, not just a tourist stop. It's a reminder of Foshan's spiritual depth, a serene oasis amid the bustle. For the best city views, hike up Mount Foshan, a green hill in the city centre. Shaded trails, pavilions, and rest stops make the climb pleasant for all ages. At the summit, panoramic vistas reveal Foshan's blend of old and new, parks and skyscrapers. Spot landmarks you visited and see the city's story unfold below. It's a favourite spot for locals to exercise and unwind. Day or night, the view is stunning. The perfect place to reflect on your journey. To understand Foshan, visit the Shunde Museum, a modern space bringing local history to life. Explore Shunde's silk industry, Bruce Lee's legacy, and its UNESCO City of Gastronomy status. Interactive exhibits and recreated streets immerse you in the district's vibrant past and present. The food exhibit will make you hungry, revealing the secrets behind Shunde's culinary fame. The museum celebrates both tradition and innovation. You'll leave with a deeper appreciation for this unique region, a must for curious travellers. Baolin Temple dazzles with golden roofs and a serene forest setting at the mountain's foot. First built in the 10th century, it's been expanded into a majestic complex. The Hall of Heavenly Kings and the giant golden Guanyin statue inspire awe and peace. Incense, chanting, and intricate statues create a deeply spiritual atmosphere. The temple's opulence feels heartfelt, not flashy. It's a place of devotion and beauty, an unforgettable spiritual experience. Our final stop, the Century Lotus Sports Centre, a futuristic stadium shaped like Foshan's city flower. Its petal-like roof and shimmering design make it a true architectural marvel. Hosting major sports events, it's a symbol of Foshan's ambition and creativity. The surrounding park and lake offer stunning views, especially at night when the stadium glows. Locals come here to walk, run, and admire this modern landmark. It's where tradition meets the future, the perfect finale to our Foshan journey. That's a wrap on Foshan, a city of contrasts, creativity, and warmth. From ancient temples to modern marvels, every moment here is rich with discovery. The real treasure? The people and the flavors we've shared along the way. If you visit, come hungry for adventure, culture, and of course, food. Thanks for joining me on this journey. I'm Perfect, and I'll see you on the next Destination Perfect adventure. Until then, keep exploring and keep eating.